Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Loopring Price Prediction and Loopring news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Loopring in 2022. Loopring is an Ethereum token. It is described by its creators as an open source, non-custodial auditable exchange protocol. With it, any user will be able to create non-custodial order book exchanges based on Ethereum using zero-knowledge proofs. In 2020, the average daily trading volume across the entire cryptocurrency market fluctuated roughly in the $50-200 million range. Most of this trading takes place on centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. These are online platforms operated by private companies that store user funds and facilitate the matching of buy and sell orders. The intended goal of Loopring is to combine centralized order matching with decentralized order settlement on the blockchain into a hybrid product that takes the best from both centralized and decentralized exchanges. The founder and current CEO of the Loopring Foundation, which manages the development of the Loopring protocol, is Daniel Wang, a software engineer and entrepreneur based in Shanghai. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Loopring. Lrc price analysis. Boom and selling pressure teases flag pattern fallout. The Lrc coin falls more than 50% as it shows an ongoing retracement within a flag pattern in the daily chart. Moreover, the recent bear attack results in the fallout of the $2 mark. The rests close to the support trendline after a 30% fall in the past 2 weeks. Therefore, the price action indicates a high probability of a bearish breakout. Key technical points. The Lrc coin price breaks below the 50-day EMA and heads lower to the 200-day EMA. The 24-hour trading volume in the Loopring coin is $392 million, indicating a 110% gain. Previously, when we covered an article on the Loopring coin, the coin price was attempting to sustain above the $2 mark. However, despite the multiple bullish attempts to overcome the selling pressure, the price failed to overcome the influential resistance trendline. The coin fell almost 20% in the last 2 days, resulting in the $2 mark breakout and approaching the support trendline of the falling wedge. Moreover, the increased trend momentum is evident by the rise in trading volume and the bearish engulfing candlestick. The sellers are gaining trend control as the price breaks below the 50-day EMA and show retracement to the 200-day EMA. Nonetheless, the last 2 daily candlesticks show lower price rejection near the $1.60 support level. The daily relative strength index, 35, enters the bearish territory. Moreover, with the recent dump, this line has also crossed below the 14 SMA. This Loopring coin price breaks below the descending triangle pattern in the 4-hour chart. The price shows a halt and downfall near the $1.70 mark. Therefore, a retracement as a retest of the bearish fallout is possible. The technical chart indicates the important resistance levels are $1.60 and $1. Moreover, the support levels are $2.15 and $2.50. The moving average convergence divergence shows a sharp dump in the MACD and signal lines below the neutral LEVEL, 0.00. The rising trend of the bearish histograms indicates strong selling pressure. And second news, XRP vs SEC. SEC's motion to strike fair notice defense denied. Ripple has notched another victory in the XRP vs SEC case. Presiding Judge Analisa Torres has denied the SEC's motion to strike out Ripple's fair notice defense. Ripple can now argue it did not have fair notice. The motion filed by the SEC sought to restrain Ripple from arguing that the Commission failed to warn it of wrongdoing. The SEC argued that the securities laws are clear on what constitutes a sale of unregistered securities. In her ruling, Judge Torres stated that the SEC had failed to meet the burden of proving the fine points of its case. This included the SEC's failure to demonstrate that there is no question of fact in law that would allow the defense to succeed, and also that the plaintiff would be prejudiced by the inclusion of the fair notice defense. She also acknowledged Ripple's pleading in the matter, noting that the fintech company filed its defense in a timely fashion. With the victory, Ripple can further its fair notice defense as the case proceeds. The defense entails that before, when the SEC filed a complaint against it in 2020, the Commission had failed to provide guidance. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse has even alleged that former SEC Commissioner, Elliot Roisman, invariably led Ripple to believe there was no cause for concern in a meeting held in 2018. Ripple is seeking disclosure of the minutes of the meeting contained in the Estabrook notes. The latest ruling has presently gained plaudits for the XRP community. One community member even declared that with the ruling, the SEC is now toast. Loopring price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 is what we have for you today. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. Since 2022 is just getting started, this is the perfect moment for some predictions. Any altcoin should be valued in the context of the overall market climate and performance of Bitcoin. Loopring Price Prediction 2022. In 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Loopring will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach $1.20 in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $1.02, with a maximum price of $1.20 for 2022. Lrc Price Prediction 2023. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new year. We are confident that the long-term price outlook for the Lrc will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will get a lot more attention. The year 2023 could end with an average bid of $1.47 and a minimum bid of $1.43. The maximum bid is expected to be around $1.69. Lrc Price Prediction 2024. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Loopring will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2024, Lrc is expected to peak at $2.50. The minimum bet could go up to $2.10 if the market turns bullish. Lrc Price Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Loopring price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average Lrc price will rise to around $3.14 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year may end with a maximum price of $3.67 with a minimum price level $3.05. Loopring Price Prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, Loopring, Lrc, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be $4.64. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted Loopring's maximum price could be up to $5.33 in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Lrc Rate Prediction 2027. The value of Loopring will rise thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2027 is bullish. Lrc is expected to reach a maximum rate of $8.12 by the end of 2027, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that Loopring's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Lrc will be between $6.52 and $6.75 expected in 2027, depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum Lrc price ranges from $6.52 to $8.12 for 2027. Loopring Price Prediction 2028. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Loopring could cross $11.32 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2028. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2028 will be around $10. Loopring Rate Forecast 2029. Loopring's current price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore the Lrc could be as high as $16.79 by 2029, with